I want to try something. I want to try without the light. See whether if you color grade it, because I like the whole bounce light thingy. It looks a bit mysterious, but whether or not it will kena, there's a whole separate thing lah. Okay, then this is with the light on, which most probably I have to shoot. Seems to be a bit more sharp or so, but who knows lah. Hey, what's up guys? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up guys? Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the Honor 9X Pro. So let's check it out. Now starting from the design and build, looking at the back, it is made of plastic with the flat screen display in front and also the aluminium frames at the sides, which I've always been a fan of the matte-like finish that Honor tends to do with a phone, and yes, it is present with the Honor 9X Pro. Then the cameras at the back are placed in a vertical position with the Honor logo down below. Now when it comes to the color options, it comes just with a single color, which is the one which I have. It's called the Phantom Purple, which looks really amazing, as you guys can see. Now just before I talk about the phone's display, I'd like to give a huge quick shout out to Lens Library. Now this is not a sponsored post, but they've been a really great source for me to get all my camera needs, especially for the camera gear, where there is a myriad of collections of cameras, photo and cinema lenses, and so many different types of gears for you guys to choose from. So if you guys are a content creator or shoots videos for a living, and if you guys are staying within the Klangberry area, instead of immediately making a purchase of a camera or any other camera gears, go ahead and rent it out from Lens Library instead, which I'll leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check it out, where I also link a video of my buddy ZY, who also did a tour of the place as well. Alright, now looking at the phone screen, it comes with a 6.59-inch IPS LCD full view display with a 2340 by 1080 pixels with a PPI value of 391. Then there's absolutely no notch on the screen, so you will enjoy a true full view display instead, since the phone comes with a pop-up camera for the front-facing camera. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, looking down below, there is the USB-C port and also the headphones jack on the left, and there's the mono firing speaker. Then looking on the right, there is the volume rocker and also the power button, which also doubles up as a fingerprint sensor, which I've always been a fan compared to a typical slow in-display fingerprint sensor, especially using the optical ones. Now you'll find the SIM card and also the micro SD card slot on top, which supports up to 512 gigs of storage. Now as for the phone's camera specs, there are three cameras. One is a 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture with AIS Super Night Mode and AI video stabilization, an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture 13mm ultra wide lens, and a 2 megapixel f2.4, which is a depth sensor. Then as for the phone's front camera, it is a 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and yes, with the pop-up camera feature. Now talking about the video recording options, the rear camera records up to 1080p up to 60 frames per second, and the front camera records up to 1080p but at 30 frames per second. Yes, we all kind of wish if we could record 4K video camera, but my point is that, what's the point of trying to record 4K but the image stabilization is not as good. So it's great that they stick to 1080p because it looks great based on my initial test, but stay tuned for my full camera test when I do a full video review on the phone. So subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. Now as for the insides of the phone, it has the Kirin 810 chipset with the Mali G52 GPU Turbo 3.0 with liquid cooling, so that's good news for all you gamers out there, where the phone comes with 6 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage here in Malaysia. Now when it comes to the phone software, it comes shipped with Android 9 with EMUI 9. Not sure when exactly the Android 10 or even if it's going to come on the phone, so stay tuned to this channel. And this particular unit which I have with me does not come with the Google Play services because it's the China variant, so stay tuned again once I get my hands on the global variant here in Malaysia to let you guys know whether or not the GMS works on the phone. But even if it doesn't, I will let you guys know whether I've managed to get another workaround to get the Google Play services to work on the phone, so subscribe to the channel once again. Now as for the phone's battery, the Honor 9X Pro comes with 4000 milliamps of battery, and I'll let you guys know how's the battery life on the phone once I use the phone as my daily driver. Now, as for the phone's price and availability here in Malaysia, the phone is looking to release in just a few weeks' time, so stay tuned again for the price announcement here and also during my full video review of the phone. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys like to know about the Honor 9X Pro down at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply your comment in my full video review of the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions video of the Honor 9X Pro, and if you like this video and found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV. If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.